One of the ways that you can add in effects in video footages is by using the node view as well. So for example, here you can see that I have a video, and if I were to go around onto the Fusion page, then you see the node view of that particular media. That is, you see the media in, and this is in media out right here, just like this. So in order to apply effects onto it, on the left side, you can see that there's effects right here. So if you don't see it, you can go around and click on effects right here. So here there's different type of effects that you can apply right here. Like let's say, for example, open effects, you can add in templates right here and so forth. So let's just go around over here and apply out effects right here. Let's say, for example, I want to add in a lens flare effect. So I can go around and bring that effect right here on the node view. So this is what you have. You don't see anything as of now, but what you need to do is you got the media right here. So you need to connect out the media onto the endpoint for this particular node, and then click and drag this out onto the media out, and then you see the lens flare. And as I click and drag this around, you can see that this lens flare is here. So you can go around over here, and then you can move around things right here. You can see that you can increase this in size or decrease this in size and see different controls right here, and work around with the strength. You can work around with the hotspot size and so forth right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around onto, let's say, for example, onto different effects right here, like contours. You can bring that in, and then you can connect it out over here, just like this as well. So let's just go around onto media out right here, and you can see that it does not actually link up right here. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to go around and connect this out over here, just like this. It brings in a mirrors, and then you can bring this out, as you can see, and there's this contour effect right here that you can work around with. So you can see that with the mirrors, there's this lens flare which is affecting the footage, and with the mirrors of the contours, you can see that it is being mirrored out onto the media out right here. And that is how you can go around and basically combine out different effects together in nodes, as you can see, just like this. And you can work around with node view as well. So that is how you can apply out effects from Fusion nodes inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.